Good morning, this is Christina at Kaizink. Today I'm going to show you how to lower the presser foot. Sometimes we do this when we are embroidering caps that have a center seam. It just takes some pressure off that center seam. We can also do this when we are embroidering with puff. So from your main screen here, we're going to go into setting. I'm going to hit MC1, and from this screen we're going to hit MC2. Our password is just 1234. From here, we're going to go into MC2. We're going to go all the way down to option 16 that says presser foot. So our base is 0, 1 is a little bit higher, 2 and 3, and so on. So we're just going to set it to 2 for this particular job. I'm going to hit enter. Then we're going to hit setting again. It's going to ask you if you want to save that setting. Say yes. And there you go. Thank you.